So, if you believe in democracy and truth and justice, if you want to help protect the Constitution, I need your help. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., I have an online public hearing through the Wake County District Courthouse, and I'm being forced into this hearing in direct violation of the First and 14th Amendment and Title II of the ADA. I requested to live stream it and record the hearing as a member of the press, but that was denied with no legal reasoning. That's why I need witnesses. Your role is only to observe in case the court withholds the official record or there's some accidental tech issues. Anyone is legally allowed to attend the hearing. You just have to go to this WebEx link and put in the meeting ID. But please stay muted, stay off camera, and do not disrupt the proceedings. Because if you disrupt them, then the judge can close it to parties only. And by witness, I mean literally just observe. I won't be asking anyone to speak for me. For context, tomorrow's hearing is on a motion filed by opposing counsel to dismiss my case and push for default, which would force me to pay his legal fees and screw up my federal case. I currently have a federal lawsuit under Section 1983 against the opposing counsel, my former landlord, who has left the country to evade being served, 3 Wake County District Court judges, an administrative law judge, and the clerk of the North Carolina Court of Appeals. North Carolina is hands down the worst state for attorneys. The American Bar Association's own data proves it in their annual report. In 2021, 30% of North Carolina attorneys had complaints filed against them. Only 5% were investigated, and just 0.3% were actually faced consequences. Compare that to the average of about 6% nationwide. So there is no accountability here, and those attorneys turn into judges. The attorney I'm up against is from a large law firm here called Hatch, Little and Bunn, and has acted so unethically that I've had to request a protective order against him in federal court, which of course is dragging their heels in ordering anything or even trying to protect me. Tomorrow's hearing is a pure retaliation and interference with this federal case. He's filed for default and is trying to refile a motion to dismiss that has already been denied, which Rule 12G of the North Carolina Rule of Civil Procedures do not allow. I filed a motion to strike it, which is unopposed. He has not responded to that, but the court is still forcing me to show up. They actually routed that motion, though, to a conflicted judge, someone that's named in my case. They have delayed the rulings and they have blocked orders from public access, all in violation of due process. This hearing tomorrow has literally no lawful basis, but they're making me take off work and go to it. This is nothing more than an attempt to intimidate me by dropping my suit. If it goes forward, it will be a direct violation of my rights and outside judicial authority. Again, the hearing is open to the public. Please, I encourage anybody who believes in truth and accountability to just attend as a witness. You will not get in trouble for simply observing. That's your right. Again, please stay muted, stay off camera, and let your presence speak for itself. North Carolina needs to see that citizens of the United States will not stand for a corrupt court here or anywhere else.